If you're experiencing an installation loop with League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully connect your game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for League of Legends. Visit the official website for the latest specifications and confirm that your hardware and software are compatible. Step 2. Run as administrator. Right-click on the League of Legends installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R, type %temp% and hit Enter. Delete all files in the temp folder to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the loop. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, uninstall League of Legends completely and then download the latest version from the official website. Follow the installation prompts carefully to avoid any issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and get back to playing League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.